This is Saudamini studying in 7th standard. I am 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about letter V, how to write letter V and what are the uses of letter V in Technique 2, the typical individual letters in cursive and non-cursive handwriting in capital letters and small letters. But before going to today's discussion, I would like to spend a few minutes about last class. What is about last class? Last class we discussed about letter U, how to write letter U and what are the uses of letter U. With letter U is the unique letter of all letters. Letter U is unique of all letters. Letter U we must write very carefully. We will think that it is a simple letter, but we should write it very carefully because we will get some mental disturbances if we do not write and follow skillful. Without learning and without knowing anything as we like, if we write, we will get some mental disturbances and mental sick. We will get some mentally sick. So to avoid mental problems, mental sick and mental negative problems, please watch my before class about you, before previous class about you, and for more exclusively and to know more about you, please watch previous class. Coming to today's topic about letter V. What is letter V? How to write letter V? Saying in simple words, letter V is the victory of the letters. Letter V is the victory of the letters. Victory means we know what is the meaning of victory. Victory means it's a type of royalty feeling. Letter V also, while writing letter V, we should feel very proud that letter V also is consisted in the alphabets. So letter V is very useful and very mostly used in our daily life. Letter V. How to write letter V? We will use letter V daily routine in our life, but we don't know how to write letter V and how to improve. We will write as we like. By writing letter V as we like, we will get some physical problems. We will get physical problems like pimples. Physical means about to body, like pimples and elbow pains. We will get mainly pimples and elbow pains. So to avoid this, you please see carefully and write and see how to write letter V. Cursive letter V. As usual, give a small tail and give a backward slant. Give a backward slant and same like this and like this. Again here front slant from baseline to forward slant, and we should give a nod and we should give a small tail and we should end. Or else this cursive letter V we can write in another method, that is without starting tail. We can write like this and we can write like this, or we can give a nod and tail. We can write like this, and in another method we can write like this also, like this and like this. Up we are giving starting tail, up only we are giving ending tail. And coming to cursive letter capital V. How to write cursive letter capital V? Like this starting tail and like this and like this. And this is V. Writing more artistically, we can write like this and like this. And in another method we can write like this and like this. It looks like a pollen grains. It looks like in middle of the flower we will have pollens and pollen grains. It looks like say pollen grains. pollen and pollen grains, and it looks like a stem. It looks like a stem, and we will have one way we will have different shapes and different notifications. So we should follow them, and if we remember those notifications and those shapes, we can write and we can remember V easily how artistically we can write. But while writing V, we should keep differences from writing V and U. We should keep differences by writing U and V. Some will write V as like this. They will not give here point. For us, we can describe with the point only. Here last with the sharp point only we can describe that is V. And some members will not give sharp point. They will write like this as a U, and this is the wrong method. You should keep difference between this is U, this is letter U, and this is letter V. Who are reading your letters, they must know, they must know, and they can able to describe that this is U letter and this is V letter. So please keep difference between U and V. Coming to non-cursive V, how to write non-cursive V? Non-cursive small v, like this, backward slant, upwards to downwards, backward slant, and again baseline to upwards, forward slant, baseline to downwards to upwards, forward slant, upwards to downwards, backward slant. This is V on non-cursive. Coming to capital V, same like this, from top zone line to base line, draw a backward slant line from upwards to downwards. Again from base line to top line, draw a forward slant with the point endings. We should have that. We should get the shape of every V in cursive or non-cursive like arrow mark, like a down facing, like earth facing arrow mark. We should get earth facing arrow mark. And this is about V. Today we discussed about letter V and what are the defects of letter V. In next class we are going to discuss about letter W, how to write letter W and what are the advantages and defects of letter W. And if you want to see my further classes and videos, please subscribe us and follow us. Thank you.